Hey there YouTube! Today I'm doing a video review on this Gourmia digital air fryer from Costco. It was $40, normally $50, and it is item number 4232432. And I just want to point out that the food is not included, in case you thought that there was a fully cooked meal in here. So without further ado, let's unbox this bad boy. Oh, it smells like, wow, it smells really plasticky. Woo! Oh my god! It smells like a piece of electronics once it's caught on fire. Alright, we got the manual in there. My god! Alright, first and foremost, let's see what the instructions say about this smell. Oh. Ah, here we go. During the first few uses, there might be a hot plastic smell. This is perfectly normal. It'll go away after the first few uses. So I'm just gonna throw some stuff in there to absorb that smell before I cook food I want to eat. Open her up. It comes with a multi-purpose rack and a crisper tray. We're washing the basket right now. They really want you to know that smell is normal. And here are all the presets available. You have fries, wings, bacon, seafood, vegetables. You can bake, roast, broil, dehydrate, reheat, keep warm. All these things. One nice feature is the turn food feature. So halfway through, it'll pause and then you can take it out, turn it, and then put it back in. It is an option, so it's not mandatory. Alright, so I've plugged it in and the unit won't turn on unless you actually put the tray in here. So put that in there. Ah, that's pretty. Power. I'm going to let this run for half its cycle with no food in it because I don't want my fries tasting like what this smells like. It smells so bad our smoke alarm started going off. There's no food in here yet. It's just the burning off. Oh. Alrighty, so I ran this for 2 fry cycles. That's 15 minutes each cycle for a half hour total to burn off any smells. And after giving this a sniff, it still smells a little bit like plastic, so I've decided just to throw some fries in there and maybe the grease will counteract the plastic smell. Fries. Start. All done. These are a lot better than a stove.
Really?
Alright, so I forgot to record the intro for this part, but we are going to cook some chicken wings bought from Costco in the air fryer and in the stove and compare them. And we did it by just turning it on, hitting wings, and letting it go. Well, and hitting start. And we cooked it for 25 minutes total. And the old-fashioned stove, on the other hand, took about 50 minutes. Now we're flipping it. And here's the wings in the oven after the same amount of time.
I don't know. They look pretty dang crispy, don't they?
Looks like it's reaching 160 degrees. It's definitely safe to eat.
Yeah, definitely done. Definitely done. So they're just tossed in salt, pepper, and a little bit of vegetable oil.
Alright, so here is the chicken in the air fryer. And here's the chicken from the oven. I gotta say, this tastes amazing compared to the chicken out of the oven. We had a Farberware air fryer previously that was churning out chicken that looked a lot like from the oven, and it was taking twice as long as the oven. So we had almost sworn off air fryers, but I think it really matters the vendor that you go with. This Gourmia is pretty amazing. Alright, now we just add a little bit of the B-Dubs Parmesan garlic, also available from Costco. And we have ourselves really cheap wings without having to pay over $1 a wing. And here it is, mixed and rolled in with the B-Dub sauce. And this is a little less than 1 pouch worth. And the 6 pouches of party wings was $22.35. So if you extrapolate that, that looks like you get about 10 wings. So you get like 60 wings for 20 bucks. So it's like, what, 30 cents a wing instead of $1 a wing? Plus the cost of the sauce, I guess. But and here's the deep fryer cost, just to show you that I paid only $40 for it. So yeah, really happy with this purchase. I would recommend it. Thanks for watching.